मजाक बनाती है आप लोगों ने। आपका क्या ब्रीफिंग रहती है, हम दूसरे कोर्ट्स में देखते हैं। नहीं, यू पॉइंट आउट, यू आर अ सीनियर काउंसिल, यू आर
Go through the cross and
no, sorry, you don't waste our time. If you have not read the file, then don't waste our time. We have 60 cases to do and we cannot waste time like this. I could gauge it, rather we could gauge it very conveniently that you have not read the deposition and you want to read it here.
No, I wanted to read the deposition
No,
of
no.
W1, sir, because this honorable
You
court
come to-
has relied on दरवाजा खोला तो मुझे
मैडम
अपनी
इस तरीके से तो हाईकोर्ट का स्टैंडर्ड गिरता ही जाएगा।
Yes.
आपसे मैंने सवाल क्या पूछा था?
Sir,
सवाल क्या
because
पूछा था?
the very
सवाल क्या पूछा था आपसे?
yes sir, जी sir,
पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट का नेक्स्ट पेज पढ़िएगा
जी sir.
जी। फ्रैक्चर ऑफ मल्टीपल रिब्स ऑन लेफ्ट साइड विद लेसरेशन ऑन ओवर लंग्स।
I'm trying to.
नहीं, प्लीज, दिस इज
Yes.
पार्ट ऑफ द पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट।
Yes.
यू विल नॉट रीड पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट इन पार्ट्स।
Yes sir, you're right.
ये
But
पढ़िए
as
ना
I say sir,
इसको पढ़िए ना, ये दाहिना फेफड़े के बारे में क्या लिख रहे हैं वो?
Sir, no, what I am trying to show is that the injuries, following injuries are there, sir. There are 5 injuries.
Is it your case? Doctor should have been cross-examined that the injury which has been shown to the left-hand side of the ribs and lungs, that was added subsequently. There is no cross-examination. Therefore, we asked you very categorically that
No cross.
where is the cross-examination? Because it is not your case that this injury to the lungs and ribs was added subsequently at the instance of the investigating officer. And it is, since it is very much part of the postmortem report, and we are required to read that postmortem report in toto. We cannot read it in isolation.
Yes.
So this argument goes. Next argument बताइए.
So it may be that it may be, sir, that he was not cross-examined, but I can still advance this argument before this
No,
honorable court
we will not.
for the simple reason.
Because it is part of the.
एंड में देख लें, सबसे एंड में देख लें, वहां भी लिखा है इंजरी टू लंग। एंड में लास्ट में भी देखें,
पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट की लास्ट में भी लिखा हुआ
सब
है.
पे जहां दस्तखत है वहां भी लिखा हुआ है।
Cause of death दिखा रहे हैं, injury to
All
lung.
injuries are anti-mortem. Yes, sir. But as I'm saying, sir, because after all, the appeal is still an extension. And I would make this submission, so this court may reject my submission or
Yes,
not.
yes.
But the fact remains is that these are the 5 injuries in postmortem.
ठीक.
So I could take advantage of this
हाँ,
fact.
definitely.
Yes, sir.
Anything.
So the client should not suffer for the lapses on behalf of his lawyers.
वो भी लिखा देंगे. और बताइए.
I think you should not advance this argument with
जी।
me.
नहीं, ठीक है, ठीक है.
कहीं से भी
अब-
जब-
No, I tried, sir.
Not
Court
लिखिए.
is rejecting
Any-
that part.
Any other argument?
Yes, sir. I will go on to the next part.
Ji.
I will go on to the next part. So the incident has taken place on 26/12 at 12:30
हाँ.
a.m.
हाँ.
Our FIR, which we filed